What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the channel and welcome to the Boss Nova build review. This is a kit from AMT Model King. This isn't the re-release that came out from round 2 in AMT. This is an older kit. Still builds up pretty much the same. And you get the same wagon. So we named it High Velocity. I was going to put on the Boss Nova decals, but the decal sheet, it was pretty brittle. And once I tried to apply them, they just started cracking and falling apart. So we just got the High Velocity from the MPC Milk Trike. The Skull and Crossbones is from another trike, I'm assuming. I don't remember which one it is. All my decals are just, once I finish building the kit, I just take the decal sheet and put it in a big Ziploc bag. So they're all mixed together. We got the Champion spark plugs, hooker headers, and bell. Then we also have the STP. So go ahead and move the box. Move this a little bit like so you guys can get a full 360. The cord that you see coming from the chute is just a cord from inside of a jack for like the sound, like the colored cords. I have a whole bunch of like cords and stuff that was just in a bag sitting in the garage. So I went ahead and cut one open and stripped it and started taking out the colored wires. So that's my attempt at a pull cord. I also used that same method for the plug wires. The hood, I glued that on because there is no engine in the front engine bay. It's in the middle, so there's no need to have the hood to be able to open and come off. But there's that cord. It just sits right there. There's supposed to be a hinge mounted on the car so you can lift it up like a funny car. This is just sits on a shelf, so there's really no need. I didn't do that. So I didn't add the back tail lights either. So here's our plug wires. The black is just thin strips of black electrical tape that I wrapped around to kind of group up the cords. And then I just put it into the magneto back there. I try to detail the Goodyear tires, but another thing I did was I cut the air intake extension. I cut it a little crooked so it slants back a little bit, but like I said, it sits on the shelf. It's not like I take this around and enter model competitions. It's not a show build. It's just a build for fun. So, but that was my first attempt at doing plug wires with some homemade ones. So there's quite a bit of fingerprints in the paint. Like I said, it's not a show build, so built this months ago, but you can kind of see where the inside hinge will sit right there, so you can lift it up like that. I still have it, so maybe I'll put it on there someday, but as of right now, everything just sits like that. But being a wagon guy, I had to have it. So definitely got to try to get some more wagons to build, especially drag wagons. So there we go. There's my build review and kind of customizations that I did on the Boss Nova. You guys can get this kit. Like I said, it's been re-released, so you guys can find this at your local hobby shops, and you can always go to Round 2 and get it as well. Not affiliated with anybody, but just telling you where you guys can get the kit. I know my local hobby shop has it, so there it is. Now the high velocity drag wagon. Hopefully you guys enjoyed taking a look. Hopefully you guys liked the customizations that I did. I definitely enjoyed building it and experimenting with the wires and everything. So that's all we have for you for this one. Hopefully we'll catch you on the next one. Y'all have a good one. See ya.